Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how you could volunteer with the United Nations through their platform, UN Volunteers. Um, Through this platform, you can either apply for uh, or to volunteer either online or on site internationally. First of all, you should visit the main website app.unv.org. As it is written here, you can see it. When you visit the website, you will see this screen. It will be like this. First of all, here you can see the assignments and you can filter it. I will speak about it later after signing up. First step to apply for assignments or to volunteer, it's by signing up. You can either sign up using your Gmail account or using your email. Here you fill the field with your email. You send verification code, verify your email, setting up your password, fill your personal information about gender, first name, last name, and so on. After you create the profile, it would appear like this. Let me sign into my account. After you sign up, the screen or your dashboard, it will be like this. Here you can see your first name. Here, this icon for your profile, you can click on it to navigate to your profile screen. The first step is by going to this screen, to profile screen, and fill your personal information, your study information, your work experience, and every details could support your application, like what qualification you have, what your skills, what certification you have, and so on. You fill your education, your study, and your work experience. After you fill the information that is related to your profile, you can navigate like to DOA, descriptions of assignment. Here you will see all the assignments, like either online or on site. As an example, you can see here like partnerships specialist, like it is with UNICEF in Nepal, and its on-site opportunity that it is supporting sustainable development goals from the UN, like the goal number 17, partnerships for the goals. To know more about the detail or the assignment, you can click on it. Here you will see all the details, like how long the volunteering opportunity is, where, and you can see like expected start date, duration, which goal it's supporting, which country and which city within this country, what is the host entity, what is the modality, like on-site or online. Here you can see the details that is related to the assignment, like the description of tasks that you will do, about language, education level, skills you should have. If you feel like you are a good fit for this position, you can click on apply. Here you should write your motivation statement, why you apply for this assignment, and why you are a good fit for this assignment. You can explain everything here, uh, and there is a feature when you write your motivation statement for first time, you can retrieve it and update it to fit the new assignment, like to be adapted to it. So no need to write it again, just updating it later. Like if I click here, I will see my motivation letter from my previous assignment. Here you will see professional experience. It is calculated automatically based on your professional experience and your profile. Here you can write your relevant experience for this position. Um, Here when could you start, like immediate, 3 months, 2 weeks, and so on. When you finish everything, you acknowledge you want to apply and you apply to this position. If the host entity, you see, So if the host entity you see you as a good fit, they will contact you through the contact information that you put, like either your email or through phone number, and you can later continue the steps with the host entity. The last thing I would like to describe here is like you can filter the assignments, like either to be online, on-site, specific country, specific like languages, specific area of expertise. Yes, that will help you like to find like uh, exactly what you want. Like let's say as an example, I want on-site opportunities. Let's say maybe as an example, Canada, China, Egypt. Let's say I want on-site opportunities there. There is no on-site opportunities. Let's say online opportunities. Yes, we have like many of opportunities. You can check it and apply to it. Like another example, let's clear the filter. Well, let's say in all countries, let's say I want to just on-site. So here you can see all the opportunities that are on-site, and you can apply to it. In assignments, you can see your active assignments, and in Archived, you see the completed one. Uh, Glad to share that with you, and for any inquiry or questions, you can write it in comments, and I will respond to you. And for any more information, I would be glad to support you, and yes, wish you a joyful volunteering journey.